Hi Liana, it's Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make this navigational video to answer your question about where to find the resources in the psychology class about to use on your assignments. So this is the psychology class. I'm at the top of the modules page. You've already done the welcome module. Tell me about yourself letter. This is the February module, which it looks like you are still in. And so your next assignment is to do 2.8.1 on parenting styles. So we're going to scroll down to week 3, click on the lesson page titled 2.8 Parenting Styles. This video right here is an instructional or a directional video showing you how to get to the website and what you're going to be doing with it, kind of like I'm going to do right now. So once again, this is an instructional video about this link. You're going to click on the link. And what you are going to be doing is answering questions. It's like a survey about decisions that you would make if you were a parent. So you'll answer these questions by clicking here, say take the test. You do not have to pay for the results. So you can get a free snapshot report with the type of the style of parent that the test says that you may be, okay? So you take the test or the survey, and then the assignment, you can see that I clicked next at the bottom right. The assignment is to take a screenshot of your results. You're going to paste it here, and then you are going to discuss a little bit about your results and your parents or your guardians, how they raise you. Okay? Now, for time's sake, I am going to go backwards to the modules page. Okay, so once again, that was explaining 2.8, so you use this lesson and the resources here to answer the questions on this assignment. Okay, 2.9A and 2.9B are a little different than a lot of the other ones because there is not an assignment connected to it. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't read it because these all lead into each other. So on 2.9A, you are going to see that there is an article and also a TED Talk. So the article is from Newsweek. This is about Chinese twins that were separated at birth, and they were adopted by American families, and that it's about their story. This one is from one of the leading twin researchers named Nancy Siegel, and you're going to learn what she has found in her research. Okay, we're going to click next at the bottom right. And on this page, you are going to find 2 articles that cover these topics about nature and nurture and twins. Okay, so what are you doing with it necessarily? You're gathering an understanding of the debate, the discussion. Sometimes you could consider it a little bit of a controversy on nature versus nurture. So why are we the way that we are? How do we develop our personalities? Is it more about nature or is it nurture? Okay. And then twin studies have helped researchers and scientists answer some of these questions that we have about nature and nurture. All right, I'm going to click at the bottom right. And then you are going to take a test. This is just a lesson page. And so this is the test. There are 17 multiple choice and true-false questions based on everything that you did in Unit 2. So the digital text, the links found on each of these, the articles. Okay, now when you get to week 4 on the Adolescent Brain, you'll click on the lesson page once again. You will see that there are 2 videos that explain how the adolescent brain is developed. And then you'll click next here at the bottom right, and Click on the link for the assignment, and you will see that you are doing a similarities and difference sort of assignment. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to be able to show you where you get your resources to be able to do your assignments. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thanks, bye.